Innovation never stops, and Korean experts have showcased some impressive transportation concepts at CES 2023. Hyundai Mobis has revealed their cool transport of tomorrow concepts, following the lead of BMW. While they have not yet disclosed technical specifications, we have a general vision of the mobility of the future. The Envision T.0 is an autonomous shuttle with plenty of glass, which displays useful information like stops, directions, and more. Equipped with augmented reality, radars, lidars, cameras, electric motor, and wheels that turn 90 degrees, this shuttle is truly futuristic. The Envision High, on the other hand, is a cooler configuration of the same shuttle, with bigger seats, windows fitted with displays, and online shopping and movie-watching capabilities. Hyundai Mobis suggests that they have the answer to your dream mobility, but some find it too flimsy. What do you think about these transport of tomorrow concepts? Get ready for the future of digital mobility with BMW's latest concept car. With a release date of 2025, this hybrid between a Tesla Cybertruck and a Hot Wheels car is the perfect blend of edgy and fun. While BMW has yet to release the specs, they have been teasing us with talk of smart features, a self-learning digital assistant, full-width windshield projection display, and augmented reality options. Plus, check out the steering wheel with a touchpad. But that's not all. With experimental e-paper technology, you can change the color of the car by adjusting up to 240 separate segments. And did we mention the Terminator makes an appearance in the promotional video? You won't be able to resist smiling at this masterpiece of German engineering. Keep an eye out for the next concept, which will be as close to the production model as possible. The future is looking bright for BMW. Introducing the latest innovation in hospital care, a robot designed to assist nurses in transporting patients and carrying medical records, food, and other essentials. Developed in France, this robot comes in two versions, Miroki, boy, and Miroki, girl. The designers drew inspiration from Pixar animated films and created a whole story around these adorable long-eared creatures. But it's not just about the looks. The robots are equipped with advanced technology and can understand commands like put these items in their places. With a speed of 2 miles per hour and a battery life of up to 8 hours, they can carry a payload of up to 7 pounds. The Parisian hospital is set to use them as early as 2024, and the manufacturers are confident that schools, hotels, and nursing homes will also want to invest in these helpful robots. Who knew healthcare could be so cute and efficient? Samsung has always been known to push the boundaries of technology with their innovative gadgets such as the Galaxy Z Fold. However, their latest invention is even more impressive, the Flex Hybrid. This device features a screen that can simultaneously fold and twist, allowing designers to create gadgets with limitless shapes and sizes. The Flex Hybrid concept promises a smartphone that can be unfolded to the size of a laptop, with a 10.5-inch 4x3 screen that can transform into a 12.4-inch 16:10 aspect ratio screen. While Samsung hasn't specified when the device will hit the market, insiders say it will be one of their newest smartphones. It's amazing to think that in just 5 years, these cutting-edge devices will look obsolete. We can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us next. As we move towards a greener future, road projects like the Swedish authorities' latest undertaking are becoming increasingly important. With almost $8 million allocated to the test section for electric car charging, it's clear that the EU's plan to cease production of cars with internal combustion engines by 2035 is being taken seriously. In order to encourage more people to buy electric cars, authorities around the world are already working on innovative solutions, such as this charging road. One of the most interesting things about this project is its versatility. It can be used for almost any type of vehicle, from passenger cars to buses and trucks. The system works simply. Special rails are placed on the road, which connect to receivers on the cars. Payment is controlled online, and the system also monitors the state of the road, records traffic accidents, and provides other useful information. It's an exciting step forward in sustainable transportation. Looking for a discreet way to communicate in public? Look no further than this odd-looking gadget from Japan. It may resemble a Darth Vader mask or a muzzle, but it's actually designed to help you talk without disturbing others. According to tests, it can make your speech 20 to 30 decibels quieter, meaning someone sitting right next to you won't hear a thing. You can even connect it to a wide range of devices via Bluetooth, from smartphones to computers. One charge will last for up to 8 hours of communication. The gadget also comes with a 3.5mm jack for headphones, making it perfect for short conversations. And for longer chats, simply use the straps to hold it in place. The price tag is around $156, and buyers in the US will be able to order it later this year. So why not give it a try and stay connected without causing a disturbance? Did you know that only a small percentage of Japan's land is suitable for agriculture? In fact, estimates suggest that just 12 to 15% of the country's area is suitable for farming. As a result, local farmers have to make the most out of their land, but they often face challenges like difficult irrigation processes. Luckily, robots have come to their rescue. At CES 2023, a harvesting robot with impressive artificial intelligence surprised visitors. Using various cameras, this robot can harvest crops like bell peppers with incredible accuracy up to 0.04 inches. It also monitors crop growth and provides helpful tips if needed. The robot moves via wires and doesn't damage the ground, making it suitable for almost any farm. With these advancements, Japan's aging farmers can receive some much-needed support. Introducing the latest innovation in haptic technology, lightweight, wireless gloves that offer the industry's most advanced tactile experience. The creators of this technology, based in the United States, have devised a solution that is perfect for companies seeking to revolutionize the way we interact with virtual environments. While the $5,500 price tag and $500 monthly subscription may be a deterrent for the average user, the technology behind these gloves is truly fascinating. Using compressed air and hundreds of microdrives, virtual objects such as apples, tools, and machinery will feel just like the real thing. What's more, the gloves are compatible with Unity, Unreal Engine, and other collaborative tools, opening up a world of possibilities for teamwork and creativity. Of course, some skeptics predict that this product will suffer the same fate as the unpopular Power Glove for the NES console. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.